Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a rose curve pattern using Python. So firstly, we'll import the required libraries. So here, NumPy is used for numerical computations, for example, generating angle values for the curve, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the rose curve. And now we'll define parameters for the rose curve. So here A is the amplitude that controls the size of the rose curve, which is kept as 5, and K is the frequency which defines the number of petals in the rose curve. If K is odd, the rose curve has K petals, and if K is even, the rose curve has 2K petals. So now we'll generate theta values, it means angle in radians. So here theta represents the angle in radians ranging from 0 to 2 pi, it means a full circle. And here np.linspace generates 1000 equally spaced values between 0 and 2 pi, ensuring a smooth curve. And now we'll compute r, it means polar radius for the rose curve. So this is a polar equation for the rose curve where r is equals to a into cos k theta. So a 5, this scales the curve affecting the size, and k into theta determines the oscillation frequency of the petal. And now we'll convert polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates. So for that, since matplotlib plots in Cartesian coordinates, hence x and y we convert from polar to Cartesian. So here x is equals to r into cos theta and y is equals to r into sin theta. This transforms the radians r and angle theta into xy coordinate. And now we'll set up the figure for plotting. So this creates a square figure which is 6 into 6 inches, and face color is equals to black. This sets the background color to black for a stylish effect. And now we'll plot the rose curve. So here xy, the calculated coordinates of the rose curve, and color is equals to magenta. This sets the line color to magenta pinkish purple color, and line width is equals to 2. This controls the thickness of the curve. And now we'll hide the axis for a clean look. So this hides the x and y axis to make the design look more artistic. And now we'll add a title. So this displays a title where f rows curve is used to dynamically show the value of k in the title, and color is white that makes the title white for visibility on a black background, and font size 14. This sets the font size to 14. And at last we'll display the plot. And now we can check this. Hence we can see a rose curve pattern where k is equals to 7 means the number of petals are set to 7. So thanks for watching this video.